Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I'm telling you the top features for the OnePlus 9R. The phone weighs 188 grams and feels on the lighter side. Maintaining its OnePlus legacy, the smartphone skips on a 3.5mm headphone jack, but we do get to see the signature alert slider on the smartphone. You get a 6.55-inch AMOLED display on the smartphone that supports a refresh rate of 120Hz. The screen is fairly bright and responsive. Partnering up with the display, we get a stereo speaker setup on the OnePlus 9R. There is a quad rear camera module on the offer, comprising of a 48-megapixel main camera, 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and finally a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. The camera setup supports HDR and can record 4K videos at 30 FPS. For selfies, the phone comes with a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. This sensor features auto HDR and can also record 1080p videos at 30 FPS. The OnePlus 9R is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G chipset. Yes, that makes the smartphone 5G ready. The OnePlus 9R comes with a 4500 mAh battery with a 65-watt warp charge support. It's part of the Red Cable Club and uses OnePlus's signature warp charger.